नमस्ते, मैं नाम अरुण सी हूँ, रंगन बाइक पॉइंट बैंगलोर से। मैं बहुत दिन से बिज़नेस के लिए मतलब एक प्लान बना रहा था। तो बेसिकली आई एम अ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर एंड आई वर्क फॉर different organizations, including Indian Air Force, for around 35 years. And then I decided to have my own business. For a long time, I am looking for business and looking for a lot of options. I found a lot of opportunities and options out of which only two-wheeler servicing and maintenance business. It suits my passions and requirements. So when I recognize my passion, my business, then I started looking for the opportunities, franchise opportunities in this field, two-wheeler maintenance. I visited a lot of franchises. I have seen a lot of franchises, including Ryder. And I'm lucky enough to find this franchise for me. It suits my requirement all. The journey getting introduced with BikeDost up to here, opening. You have just opened the shop and journey from introduction up to here. The way you can. Today I had one final session with Mr. Hassan. It was really remarkable and looking forward for more sessions like this. Thank you very much.